In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Kartra. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Kartra. Look for the official site in the results. It should clearly reference the platform's homepage and branding. Click through to reach the main sign-up page. On the sign-up screen, enter your name and email to start the free trial. Kartra typically requires basic details up front, so it can create your account and route you to the correct onboarding flow. Next, you'll be asked for more information: your name and email again, your state and country, your card details, and a checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions. Go ahead and review the terms, confirm you understand the trial period and billing date, and then click Submit Payment to finalize your trial setup. Once that's processed, click Start. You'll see a brief onboarding form. Add your company name, choose your industry, and enter your business address, city, and postcode. Confirm the terms and then select Go to Kartra. Use accurate business details here, since they can appear in receipts and customer communications. Inside the dashboard, head to Sales and then Products to define what you're selling. Set your product name and pricing model: one-time, recurring, or installments. Add your refund policy so customers know what to expect, and provide the thank you page URL, which is where buyers land after checkout. Clear pricing and a helpful thank you destination make for a smoother customer experience. Next, navigate to Contacts and Open Forms. Create a lead capture form with fields like first name and email. Keep it short to maximize conversions, and save it so you can embed it on any Kartra page later. Use lists to group contacts by purpose, such as a main newsletter list, and tags to track behaviors, like whether someone purchased a specific product. Lists help you organize broadly, while tags give you precise targeting for future campaigns. For your web presence, open the drag-and-drop page builder to create sales, opt-in, or thank you pages. You can start from a blank canvas or choose a template to move faster. Preview on mobile to make sure everything looks great. If you host content, go to Memberships. Set up your course or library with categories and subcategories. Choose access levels, and enable a progress bar so members can track their learning. Create sequences to automate follow-up emails. A simple example is a welcome sequence that triggers immediately after someone submits your opt-in form. Set up a calendar for one-on-one sessions or classes by defining your availability and session duration. Finally, configure live or automated webinars, including a registration form and email reminders, so attendees get timely updates and links.